Welcome to LAVCA 5th grade science read aloud for Study Island. Today's topic is Solar System and the Universe. Open your Study Island lesson and be ready to listen and follow along. You'll then be ready to open this topic and complete some practice questions. The Sun, like other stars, is a giant ball of hot, glowing gases. The Sun appears much brighter than the other stars because it is much closer to the Earth than the other stars. The Sun produces energy in its core. The energy travels out to the surface of the Sun and then to the Earth. The motion of the stars and the Sun in the Earth's sky is due to the Earth's rotation. It is the Earth's rotation that causes the Sun to rise in the east every morning and set in the west every evening. This rotation also causes the stars to move in the night sky, with the exception of the North Star, also called Polaris. The reason this star appears to stay still in the northern night sky is that the Earth's axis of rotation points at the North Star. The majority of the asteroids in our solar system can be found in the space between Mars and Jupiter. This area is called the asteroid belt. Asteroids vary greatly in size and shape and are mostly made up of stone, iron, and nickel. There are four main classifications of asteroids: carbon or C-type, silicate or S-type, metallic or M-type, and dark or D-type. Comets have the most elliptical orbits of all the objects in the solar system. They move into the inner solar system for only a short amount of time. Once they have passed around the Sun, they move back out to the outer reaches of the solar system again, often well past Pluto, and are not seen again for many years. Comets are smaller than planets, moons, or asteroids. They are mostly made up of dust particles, frozen water, and frozen gases. They are usually very hard to see, but as they approach the Sun, these particles heat up and become much easier to see. It's the heating of these particles that causes a comet to have its distinct tail. A meteoroid is an object in interplanetary space that is too small to be called an asteroid or a comet. Like asteroids and comets, meteoroids revolve around the Sun. Most meteoroids are created as the result of collisions of asteroids, comets, moons, and even planets within our solar system. Classifying meteoroids has proven to be a difficult thing because they are usually formed when smaller chunks of material are knocked off of larger objects. Meteoroids have come from asteroids, comets, moons, and even planets. The three main classifications of meteoroids are stony, stony iron, and iron. Meteorites are only found on the surface of planets. The reason for this is that until they survive the trip through the atmosphere of a planet and actually land on the planet's surface, they are classified as meteoroids. Classifying meteorites has proven to be a difficult thing because they're usually formed when smaller chunks of material are knocked off of larger objects. Meteorites have come from asteroids, comets, moons, and even planets. However, the three main classifications of meteorites are stony, stony iron, and iron. The bright streak made by a glowing meteoroid is called a meteor. When a meteoroid enters the Earth's atmosphere, movement against the air molecules causes friction. Friction produces heat, and the meteoroid begins to heat up and glow. The bright streak left in the sky by the moving, glowing meteoroid is called a meteor. When many meteoroids enter the Earth's atmosphere around the same time, we have a meteor shower.